Hi, this is Alex Wang. Today I'm presenting Eat Fat Smartly and Weight Loss. So, people always ask, should I get away from fat if I'm looking for weight loss? The answer for me is no, because there are so many benefits from fat even though you're doing weight loss. It's very essential for you. The first one is because fat is one of the three macronutrients, and it gives you a sufficient amount of energy support. The second, it will give you satiety after eating, and it will last longer to keep you away from empty calorie snacks. And third, the fat actually will make your food taste better. So biochemically, fat is very necessary for the regulation of body functions such as supply of the hormone making. And also it's very important for fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and K. Those vitamins need to have the presence of fat in order to be absorbed and digested. So I listed four foods that I think you shouldn't avoid even during weight loss. The first food I think will be very helpful for during weight loss is nuts. Nuts is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids. And I'll give you examples such as walnuts. Walnuts have a more omega-3 fatty acids than other nuts. And omega-3 fatty acids are very essential for anti-inflammatory response. And another example such as almonds. I found a research from International Journal of Obesity. It presents two groups of participants consume the same amount of calories. The group which had more calories from almonds lose more weight. So it comes down to it. All the nuts will give you a sufficient amount of monounsaturated fatty acids, polyunsaturated fatty acids, and omega-3 fats. And I think it's very supportive and helpful for the weight loss. The second food I think will be very helpful for the weight loss is the fishes. The fishes actually have a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, especially for the fatty fishes. Omega-3 fatty acids, as I said, is very essential for anti-inflammatory response. And actually, I give you an example such as salmons. You'll get a full amount of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids recommended by American Heart Associations. And omega-3 actually not just anti-inflammatory, it will also decrease the triglyceride levels and also actually slightly lower the blood pressures. And also in the fishes, they are rich in proteins as well. And protein is very essential for give you a longer satiety during the weight loss. Fishes also have a great amount of vitamin B12, which is essential for metabolism and nervous system functions. The third great source of fat I think will be helpful for weight loss is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols and monounsaturated fatty acids. A recent study from obesity found that the olive oil-rich diet will result in higher level of adiponectin than a higher carb or higher protein diet. Adiponectin is a hormone responsible for breaking down fats in the body. So, and it will also give you a longer satiety after the meal. The last food we cover today is eggs. Well, the egg white are actually all proteins, and the egg yolk are containing fat and cholesterol. You don't have to worry about it because, according to a recent study from University of Connecticut, it found that the overall fat profile in egg yolk are ultimately help to reduce the LDL, which people will consider as the bad cholesterol. Also, egg are the number one dietary resource of the nutrient called choline. Choline is a macronutrient used for methylation reactions, and our body can barely make it. It is very essential, especially during pregnancies. The deficiency of choline will result in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and neural deficit and anxieties. That's all the materials I covered today, and I will list the references at the end. If you're interested, you can look more into it. Thank you very much for listening.